discussing about the concept of chemistry in engineering branches. Why you study the chemistry in engineering? So, what is chemistry? Branch of science that deals with the study of the materials. What is the matter? That matters is the solid state, liquid state or gaseous state. In other words, chemistry deals with the composition, structure and properties of the materials. So, in chemistry, different branches are there. First is physical branch, then inorganic branch, then organic branch, and then analytical branch. What is physical branch? Where we study the phenomena of various type of principles of the materials. Then what is in organic branches? We mainly study what are the carbon compounds in around us, and then inorganic mainly we study the materials of the elements, and last that is analytical branch where we study the qualitative and quantitative analysis of the elements and the substance around us. So matter, what is matter? Anything around us have some space and volume, that is called matter. Different type of matter have two ways. One is physical ways and another was one is physical, another one is chemical. So that physical is divided into solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. What is solid? That have the solid state is known as have some space and volume, whereas liquid state has no space but it occupies volume. And what are the gaseous states? Which have no volumes, no shapes. So example of solid state is iron, copper, etc. And what are the examples of liquid? Okay, that is milk, water, which have some volume. Then gaseous state, that is nitrogen, oxygen, these are called gaseous. What are the chemicals? The chemicals are divided into two states. One is pure, another one is mixture. In pure, it is also divided into three types. One is element, another one is compound, third one is mixture. That element also divided into three types. One is metal, another one is non-metal, third one is metalloid. Okay, so what is element? It is the smallest substance that cannot be subgroups or cannot be divided. So mainly 118 elements are there. From 118, 94 are we get from earth, and last 24 these are the synthetic elements which we got from the nuclear reaction. Okay, then the elements are three types. One is metal. Example of metals are iron, gold, and example of non-metals are nitrogen, then calcium, then third one is metalloids. The example is arsenic, antimony, etc. Okay. Then what is the compound? Compound is the mixture of two substances. Okay. What is compound? It is the mixture of two substances. So it is compound is also divided into two types. One is organic compounds, another one is inorganic compounds. Okay. What are the example of organic compounds? That is the example of all the fats, oils, and inorganic washing soda. Okay. That animals, from the animals we get fats, oils. So this is called organic, and from this is how we get from washing soda by the chemicals. the chemical substance. So this is called inorganic compound. Whereas mixture is the combination of different substances. So example is, one is heterogeneous, another one is homogeneous. Where in heterogeneous the proportion is not proper, different proportion is here. In homogeneous, same proportion of substance are present here. Example of homogeneous, and what are the examples of homogeneous and heterogeneous? Okay, heterogeneous example is mixture of oil and water, mixture of sulfur and sand, and homogeneous, that is though you drink the juice, that is the homogeneous mixture. Okay. Okay. What are the particle size? What are the atom? What are the nucleus? All them different type of electronic configuration we will discuss that. Okay. Thank you.